Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a CamScanner account. So first, you have to launch your CamScanner app in your mobile device. And in the bottom right corner, there's a Me icon. You simply have to tap on that. And on the top, that says sign in to access for more features. So you have three options right there. You have Google option, phone number, or email address. So you can pick whichever you prefer. So I'm going to tap on the third one. So on the bottom that says register new account just below the sign in. So tap on that and you'll get an interface like this. So you will simply have to enter your email and you have to enter your password as well. And after you filled your registration over there, you simply have to send activation email. A verification email address will be send it to your mail, and then you simply have to tap on the verify email address. Then you'll be creating an account in your CamScanner. So that is it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, and I hope I could make you understand that how to create a CamScanner account in your mobile device.